everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this, it's an absolutely beautiful 1953 Ford F100. I want to show the engine first, Jake. Have you shown him the engine?
I have.
Well, let's see.
I have B-roll, but go ahead and pop the hood open.
Oh my God.
It's a double latch system.
It's a double latch system. There it is.
You got it. And the one on the left, you push forward and lift the hood.
Lift.
Look at that.
Would you look at it? That's a
looking at
Mercury
it.
Flathead V8.
It is.
And it's got vintage air.
It does have air conditioning and power steering.
Oh, yes.
Which is very nice. And
oh, yes.
power brakes.
And
a 5-speed.
A 5-speed, not from the factory, my friends, but guess what?
It has 5 whole speeds now, which is very nice.
Forward gears, which I love. And I always want to do this to make sure that hood closes perfectly.
Very nice.
Nice.
We also have white wall tires.
Beautiful white wall tires.
Color matched wheels, which look awesome, and the big chrome Ford center caps, of course.
It's got the 3 pedals, which make us happy. Now, here's some cool stuff we're going to show you on the ride. That's the e-brake. Does have power windows.
Yes.
That's the power window for that side because you don't want to stretch, Jake.
Exactly.
Why would you stretch?
And we also have a switch in here, we'll show that later too, for cutouts.
Oh!
You have quiet and loud mode, which is cool. And the Flathead does sound good. We got an electric fuel pump you got a switch for in there, which is nice. Digital gauges, which is very cool. The dash is painted very nicely. You got a nice wheel.
Oh,
beautiful upholstered bench seat with a removable center console. It's just one of those that sets on the seat, so you can take that out if you want, but you can leave it and have cup holders too.
Why
Very
not?
nice.
I'm not going to take the tailgate down, but it does have a tailgate that does go down. It's got the beautiful wood on the side.
Yeah, the wood is awesome. The wood bed matches the wood on the sides, of course. Very nice.
How about this bumper?
Bumper's nice, big and chrome, dual exhaust.
Chrome
But yeah, the bed does go down. It's just these chains. So you just undo those. Bed pops down. Chris is going to open the passenger door.
Oh, man. Oh, and look at this. We need to show this. It's got a cutoff, ladies and gentlemen.
It does have a shutoff right down here.
Right there.
I like this truck a lot.
I'm excited about driving it.
Oh, it's also push button start, but that's original from 1953.
Standard stuff from 1953.
Yeah.
It's that 5-speed Tremec that's not.
I know. You ready to drive it?
Here's my microphone. Yes, I am.
Oh, there's the cutouts open. A little bit louder now. Oh, headlights. Those are LED. Nice. Blinkers. Very good. And you got extra LED lights down there. Very cool. Now we'll check the rear lights. One blinker. 2 blinker, very nice. Oh, and there's even blinkers in the bed rails. That's cool. Brake lights, very nice. Yeah, these lights up here light up. Didn't even notice those before. Alrighty.
So nice.
Here's your mic.
There you go.
Did you notice the running lights and blinkers are in the bed rail?
Isn't it cool?
The top of the bed rail?
Isn't it cool? Well, it's, you know, we never do this at night, Jake. I wish we kind of did sometimes.
They're very bright though, because I think they're all LED.
I believe they are.
So you can see them plain as day, which is cool.
Oh, you know what, Jake?
The e-brake's on. And it works very well.
It does.
The truck will not move with the e-brake on.
Love it.
This is nice.
It's nicer than you think.
Yeah, you got the
like buttery.
Digital gauges over there, which are cool. Nice steering wheel. And you got your 5-speed shifter down there, of course, and your vintage air conditioning controls.
Air conditioning.
Very cool.
It's a truck, so you can do truck stuff.
Oh yeah, that's the Cowl. I forgot about that. The electric Cowl.
Oh yes! Oh, we didn't show it.
Let me
show
do
it.
Yep. The Cowl on the hood opens and closes with this button down here, electronically.
With electricity.
Very cool. I guess that's just to let in some fresh air. I'm gonna put it up because it's nice today.
And it's cool to have.
It is cool to have.
Oh boy, I hope that's coming to us, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah, some guy's bringing a, what is that, a Monte Carlo?
1987 Monte Carlo SS, white, which is rare.
Nice.
And I do like that. Well, anyway.
But we're in a cool truck.
Yeah, we're in a cool truck.
Yeah, you got all the switches over there. You want to do your window real quick?
Oh, my window?
It's electric.
Boogie, boogie, boogie. We got it. We nailed it.
But it's the original crank handle that they're using as the electric window switch, which is cool. So it still looks original in here. Although with a lot of added switches and stuff, like I said, for the fuel pump and the vintage air and everything has obviously been added. Yep.
Sorry, it was getting a little loud.
Yeah. We're back in quiet mode now. Oh, the 5-speed seems nice.
It does shift. It's beautiful.
This up here, I'm assuming, is a speaker.
Probably.
For your radio, which I don't even know where the radio is.
I don't know if we have a radio. I think the radio is the actual noise of the engine.
You don't need one, yeah. It sounds really good. The 5-speed, buttery smooth. The engine,
Buttery.
It's a flathead Ford V8, so that's also buttery smooth.
It is.
Very nice. Is that 5th?
I think I'm still in 3rd. But boy, it drives nice, doesn't it?
Oh, it does drive really nice.
Love it.
Oh, that was 3rd. Wow, we have so many.
You have so many forward
so
gears.
many gears.
it's different than what we're used
we're
to.
Like, we do have an RPM gauge.
Yes, we do. It's digital.
We're about 2,000 RPM, doing 43 miles an hour, and we're still only in 4th.
I know. We're in no gear.
This thing will cruise on the highway easily.
Yes.
Let's see. Oil pressure, we're at 48 pounds, which is great.
Good volts.
37% fuel. Voltage is voltaging. And about 188 degrees on the water temp, and it's staying there. So that's great. We have all 3 mirrors, which is a luxury option for 53.
Most certainly.
Not every truck had the passenger side mirror. Very cool.
Very nice.
Goes in a straight line. Can't beat it.
You can't beat it. You just can't beat it. There's a popo. Nice.
Oh, you have my window switch over there.
Oh, you have one too.
Do I?
Yes. Same, but I will do it. Jake, if you would like your window up, I'll just do that right now by touching this one.
Sure.
But it's just nice to have if you're just driving by yourself.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I have the handle.
You do. It's all right.
I forget things.
It's all right. You're young and your mind's already going. My gosh.
Yeah, the interior's really nice. The dash paint obviously matches the exterior paint, and it's in really nice condition. No, like, big scratches or chips or anything on it. And the bezel around the digital gauges looks really cool.
Love it.
Big steering wheel, of course.
Yes. With the taxi cab knob.
We do have the taxi cab knob.
That's what I call it. I don't know what it's actually called.
We do have power steering. So it's not like you really need it, but it's there if you want it.
Pollen. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to sneeze, but man, that pollen's bad around here.
I had to wipe this truck off 5 minutes before we shot, and it'll be covered in pollen by the time we get back.
It's true. It's tis the season.
Tis the season here in Missouri.
Oh yeah, we're growing stuff. That's what you guys are eating, by the way.
Yeah, everything's turning yellow. So smooth. Listen to it.
It's silky.
Do you want to do open cutouts or closed for the
bean
test?
Nice.
Nice.
Yes, and for sure, your flybys, you can do one of each if you'd like, because
I will do that. Second gear. Third gear.
Man, oh man. Listen to that Flathead. Ah, what a noise.
Cutouts are fun.
They are fun. This is a fun truck.
You know, it's not the fastest thing in the world.
60.
Obviously.
All right, 60 miles an hour, we are 1,500 RPMs. That is wonderful. What a great cruiser.
That's why you put a 5-speed and stuff.
That is a great cruiser.
Yeah, I mean, the speed is negligible. I mean, the Flathead made 100 horsepower, 130 maybe
We're not
back in
talking
the 50s.
a lot, but boy, does it look nice.
No, but it sounds amazing. I mean, plenty of torque to get up and stay at highway speeds.
But you're not pulling a boat with this. This is a show truck.
Oh yeah, this thing's
Beautiful
gorgeous.
show truck.
This thing is gorgeous.
And it's got the 3 pedals, which makes me happy.
Yeah, I like 3 pedals better than 2. But that's just me.
Jake. That's Jake. That's Jake. That's life.
Yeah, I'll do a couple flybys. I'll do the first one with the cutouts closed, and then I'll come back with them open, and we can hear the difference.
All right, we'll close them up. Look at her. Would you just look at it? Sorry, the camera's not looking at it, but I'm looking at it. Does have a fire extinguisher right in the back because, hey, why not? It's always good. Safety first, people. It is beautiful, though. And it's, well, I know it's been cared for. The gentleman who gave us this truck is just a super nice guy. Keeps his things extremely clean and just a really nice guy. So don't worry, Craig. We're taking care of it. We'll find it a good home. Oh, sounds good. Oh, what a difference. She looks good. Those cutouts make a difference. Way big difference. But hey, you do what you want. You can be loud sometimes, you can be quiet sometimes. You have the option. But a cool truck, well, that's always a great option. There he is. There he is. Well, Jake, what'd you think?
Cutouts open or cutouts closed?
I like them open, actually.
It does sound good. It's not obnoxiously loud with them
It's
open.
not droney.
But
It's
it sounds nice.
Sounds great.
Yeah, plus this thing runs fantastic, so.
It does, and it looks great, dude.
I know.
Love this color.
You can't beat a 5-speed either.
No, you can't. Vintage air, you got everything you want.
I know. You ready to take it back?
Let's do it, buddy.